Place the face frame down and apply a bead of glue to the grooves. Place the front sidewalls into place using the notches on the face frame. Then fasten the walls to the face frame using metal clips. Now place the top and bottom of the cabinet in place using the notches on the face frame. Set the back side panel into place so that the lip of the panel is facing toward the back of the cabinet. Fasten the back side wall to the front side wall using the pre-drilled holes. Place all the shelf clips on the inside of the cabinet. Next, place the shelves in place and press them down until they click into place. Place shelf clips on the remaining side wall and then set it in place so that the lip of the panel is facing toward the back of the cabinet. Fasten it into the cabinet using the pre-designated screw holes. Now take the back panel of the cabinet and slide it into the back of the cabinet. Use the pre-designated screw holes to fasten the back panel to the back side panels of the cabinet. Flip the cabinet on its back and place the wooden corner brackets in place on both sides of the cabinet and fasten them down. Place the door face down and set each hinge into place. Line up the corresponding screw holes on the door with the corresponding holes on the hinge. Secure the hinges to the door with 2 medium screws per hinge. Line up the corresponding holes on the hinges with the corresponding holes on the face frame and fasten them down using 1 large screw each.